Okay, the first thing, what is EDI? What do you know about EDI?
Yeah, it is used to transmitting business documents from one business partner to another business partner electronically. So it
Okay,
will be cost effective, time saving.
okay. Still any more info?
Mm. So are
Okay,
are you sharing the screen, bro? I can't.
see, okay, sorry.
It's hanged like something like that.
Okay, sorry. I thought I'm sharing the screen. See, once again, I'm sharing. Is it visible now?
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah.
See. Okay, for the first thing which comes to me after hearing the EDI means EDI is nothing but a file format. We have different types of file formats available in the market, right? Like CSV file, IDOC file, and many other files like XML files, JSON files. Everything will be there. It depends on the backend system, everything. Okay, which type of format, everything. Okay, so while we have the other document, why we prefer EDI? That's the thinking. When it came to existence, previously there used to be no EDI. Then why it came to existence? Everything, those things you will learn everything. What is the use of EDI? What is the use of middleware systems? Everything. Okay. So EDI is basically it's a file format which is used for exchange of business documents from one trading partner to other one. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's have you definition about trading partner. So what do you know about the word trading partners? What's this? Hello.
Yeah, trading partners.
Yeah, trading partners. What are they? Just I wanted to know what you know about trading partner because since you are a fresher, I can say everything. Just I wanted to know in which level you are so that you can say everything. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Not a problem, not an issue. Just you can say if you don't anything, I will just elaborate and say. Yes, I wanted to know. Okay. Then our topic is like trading partners. Suppose what's your name? Elin, right? Elin.
Adlin, yeah.
Okay. Elin is the owner of a Puma company, Puma brand. Okay. In Puma we have different things. Actually, Puma is a community. It's a brand. Okay. It's a workplace. There is a factory where you manufacture everything. Okay. Whether Puma shoes, Puma everything. So it's located in somewhere. Where is your native place? Chennai, right?
No, I'm from Kanyakumari. Native is Kanyakumari. Yeah.
Okay, somewhere like your manufacturing hub is situated in Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari. Oh.
But that supply can be done to your locals. But when your brand get exposed everywhere in the world and you want to send them to everywhere, so what is the procedure? You will be transporting through ship, through air, through other means of transportation like train, everything. But that one you need because you can't go and supply to the entire world. That is a waste of time and waste of your amount. So okay, for this type of therapy, what we follow is we need a trading partners who trade your items. Suppose you are owning a Puma shoes that has to be transferred to the entire world. Suppose you can't transfer. So we have some different types of trading partners. So name some trading partners.
Yeah, like.
No. Okay, you didn't get. Puma is a manufacturing hub.
Okay,
In manufacturing, there only you get. So how you will get transfer it to different types of trading partners like Walmart.
DHL like that.
Yeah, we have. Although I think now you got something about this. Okay. So these are all the trading partners. Okay. These are all the trading partners. So we have like any number of trading partners. So the person who wants to buy the Puma shirt need not come to you. He can go to Walmart. He can order in the Flipkart. He can order in the DMart. Some other like local shops. Everything will be there. So for Puma, who are all the trading partners? Hello, Elin. For Puma, who are all the trading partners? Walmart, Flipkart. These are all the trading partners. So whoever gets involved in the business for exposure of this Puma brand, they are all known as the trading partner for the Puma.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
So that is the concept of the trading partners. Okay. Okay. So what is B2B? B2B means it's a business to business describes transaction between business such as manufacturer, wholesaler, or between wholesaler and retailer. So what is this B2B means? It's a business to business. Okay, we have different levels of business. I will elaborate you. Don't worry. And what are the advantages of this B2B? First thing is the cost saving. It's a time saving. Because we have discussed this earlier, right? The previous topic of the trading partner. Suppose you want to send your brand to the world and to the market. So you can't go to everywhere. Suppose you want to go to some US shops, you have to collaborate. You have to send them. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the issue. Okay, now let's jump in. We have like business between what is this manufacturer wholesale. Suppose Puma, where all the products are manufactured in Puma. Now Puma hand it over to like wholesalers, like wholesalers. Let us assume like Walmart, DMart, everything. From there it will go to let us assume like local shops. From there, it will go to
Customers.
customers. Customers or consumers. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the scenario what is happening. So Puma wants to manufacture. Let's assume that Puma is manufacturing a shoe which costs 1,000 rupees.
Mm.
They're manufacturing everything, their worker salary, everything is gone to 1,000. So they will fix the MRP price of like 2,500 rupees.
200. Yeah.
MRP no, it's 2,500 rupees, right?
Yeah.
So how this product will come to Walmart? Some shipping charges, everything will be there. Some margin will be there because Walmart different things. So Walmart people will all buy their products in a wholesale one, like they'll buy and they'll give for them. Let's assume that they got it for 1,500.
500. Yeah.
Means here business is happening between whom and whom?
To Puma and Walmart.
Puma and Walmart. Okay, means they are getting a profit of like 500.
Yeah.
Who are getting? The Puma company is getting.
Yeah.
Okay, so now they will be utilizing this and they will send it to local shops, like local shops, local shoe companies like that. Now they will be giving it to a like 1,900.
500. Yeah.
When the customer buys, it will be like they will saying that not MRP 2,000. They have the community to buy up to 2,500,
Yeah.
but they will be giving it like 2,200 like that. It depends.
Yeah.
From local shop, it will go to 2,200 and come to customers. Okay, so this is the scenario happening. Okay, so from here to here, from going from here to here, he will getting like 500 profit.
Yeah.
Here coming to DMart, he's doing business with Puma as well as with the local shop. Coming to local shop, they'll be doing business with DMart and well as from the consumers.
Okay.
So this is the business scenario. First, when you want to be an expert in B2B tools, like there are many middleware tools like Delboomi, Axway, everything is there, right? So if you want to become a good exposure and you want to make your IT skills more developed, then you must understand this business knowledge. With this business knowledge, you can survive in any tool. The matter which I think is we need a good business knowledge. Whatever is happening. If that is nice and EDI exposure is nice, you can survive anywhere. Okay. Hope everything is clear. You find any difficulty. Okay.
No, I'm clear.
So this is the entire scenario for B2B, business to business. We call it even B2C, business to consumer. Okay, only this part, but everything belongs to it's a B2B. Okay. See, suppose from here directly, like here we have Flipkart as well. If you observe anything, local shops amount will be different, like Flipkart amount will be different.
Yes.
Okay. Flipkart amount will be different. Why the different means this is from here to directly we are buying to customers. Customers are buying from them. So that's a little margin will there, some card discount, credit card discounts, everything is there now. So depending how they can give it like this only. Like Puma is there. Puma 1,000. They will say they'll give you an offer like Puma people. You have to buy like 5,000 shoes, then you will get extra 100 rupees off on every shoe. Then they will buy. Then they'll give. Then what they will do? They'll give like credit card offer. Like that's something they will do. Some techniques will be there, business techniques. So they will be doing that. Is all the marketing thing. So we are not the marketing people, so we need not need that. Okay. Okay. Got it everything?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. You find anything difficulty because this is the major thing which I focus on everything. So this is done. So what is this information? Business thrives on information. The more efficiency information is communicated, access, the healthier is the organization. So in this business only, we'll get to know all the information, the communication, what are all the access, how with this organization means the Walmart is there. They want to give some customers, so they will also make sure that which organization we need. Okay, Puma, it's a brand. Okay, it's a local brand. Okay, Puma is one they can buy for 2,000 rupees, but this local brand they can't buy for 2,000. Okay, the cost will be like 400 rupees. Like how you find in DMart some new items will be there, new brandings will come. Their cost will be very less. How it will be? So they will be analyzing all this SWOT analysis. Like what means like all this SWOT analysis will be done. So what is the impact? Everything they will do. Okay. So coming to before EDI, the SWOT analysis nothing but strength, weakness, opportunities, and this one. Okay. And threats. So these are all the things they will keep in mind and they will see. Because if some annoying guy and come and they'll say, bro, this Apple, these are the Apple earphones, you can buy it for 5,000, you can't buy.
Yeah.
How you will buy? Because you don't know whether that is original or not original.
Yes.
If you go to a particular Apple store, you can buy. So these are all the things will be discussed. So what is happening before EDI? Before EDI came into action, the exchange of business documents is generally done by mail or fax. Suppose you have ordered one order. For every one order, you will giving the everything is a fax and mail. So everything is a paper material.
Yeah.
Everything is a paper material. So when the business is explosive, when it's a direct you and the customer, you and the trading partner communication, everything can be done. But you have like 1,000 trading partners all in India. So will it be manageable? No. You have to appoint some other 2-3 guys. What they will do? They will just do the scans. They will just mingle everything. They will just side everything, and you don't know, and that will be loss for your organization.
Yes.
So for this purpose only, EDI is a now we will dive into what is this EDI. EDI stands for Electronic Data Interchange. The EDI is a set of standardized format for different types of business documents. See, every business document will have different types of standards. Like you know the standards, right? The commonly used standard is ANSI X1.
Yeah.
Where the US people will be using this. And the one is the EDFACT. Mostly UK trading partners will be using them. Okay, like Tradacoms, many are there.
Yeah.
Many are there. Out of which ANSI X12 and EDFACT will be mostly used in the market.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, this is because there will be no human intervention and business documents is done in a smooth manner. Okay, but everything comes under like ideally, like how you, what is your local language? Tamil, right?
Tamil, yeah.
Okay, in Tamil, in your area, the Tamil language will be different. If you go to other part, it will be little different.
Different, yes.
But everything is Tamil only, right?
Tamil, yeah.
Yeah, the same like that. Everything is ideally, but that everything will be some differences will be there. That we call it as a format.
Okay.
Okay, some format. So what is the advantage of EDMS? It will be less human intervention, higher throughput, very few errors will be there. Everything will be just in there, and most thing it will be secure. See, if there is no human intervention, automatically it will be secure. So what are the companies using EDMS? The retail industry, banking, healthcare, and government sector. Okay, so all these will be using the EDI only. So what are different types of standards? These are the things we have discussed. Like American National Standard, we call it anti-export. EDFACT. EDI for with where the UK will be TDCC. Transportation coordinating company, we have Tata Bix, everything. But mostly will be all the US projects will be, we have mostly dealing with US projects, right? So mostly will be using only anti-export. In our coming sessions, we'll be discussing on the anti-export. Okay. Okay. What is enveloping? Okay, before going to enveloping, I forgot to say you one thing. We go to this side. Is everything okay here?
Yes. Okay.
EDI standards, everything is okay.
Everything is okay. Yeah.
Okay, one thing comes to my mind. See, we have versus Puma company, right? So here Puma need to. If you are a fresher, I won't go. I am not going to say you like this, but since you're an experienced guy, so I can hear some disturbance from your end. Okay, now it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, now it's fine. Okay, suppose Puma having Walmart, okay, and one American company called Heinz. Let us do another UK company, something called Tesla. Okay, so Puma commonly understands one type of file format. Here, let's assume that EDI. Here also it is situated in USA. We call it as here also it's an EDI only. The Walmart also EDI. So there is a proper way of communication. So for Heinz also it's an US one, EDI. So coming to this, it's a UK one. So UK people won't understand EDI. They follow EDFACT.
Okay.
Let's assume. Like in EDI only, EDFACT. Yeah, sorry, it's an answer section. Okay, and section coming to here, it's okay. So how you're going to communicate here? Because when you're following a standard anti-actual, because Puma can send them directly the documents because since they are using local language. Let's assume that Puma is a. Let's go to our bit low. Okay, let's assume that you know Tamil. You know only Tamil, and I know only Telugu and English. So how we can communicate? How you are going to send me the messages? You know only Tamil. So in this way, we'll appoint a translator, right? Who translates from Tamil to
Telugu or English, which you understand.
Okay, from Tamil to Telugu, the person who is aware of both the languages. The same way, we have some middleware tools. Using that middleware tool, since it's an ancestral form, you can. Okay, but Puma is doing a business with a UK-based company. So how they are going to communicate means? So for this purpose only, we have like middleware tools, like like IBM's Telling Integrator, Dell Boomi. So using those only, they are going to communicate. Okay. Not only EDFACT, there will be other transactions like CSV, flat file, everything, the backend system, everything. So those all will discuss. This for your understanding. I have said you this thing. Okay? Hope everything is clear. If you find any difficulty, you can stop me. Okay. Okay, where we are. What is enveloping and parsing? Enveloping means it's a process of combining all the documents into a single EDI. We call it as enveloping. Suppose from Flipkart you are buying 10 items. 10 items. Okay, for one, how you will do the bill? How it will go to, how the bill will come to you? Suppose you're ordering 10 items in the Flipkart. How it's going to come to you? Okay, how it's going to come? Answer from your side.
10 different bills.
10 different bills. No, everything you are buying at a time in that 10 for 10. Suppose you went to a DMart and you buy 10 items.
Yeah, it will be coming on a
only one bill, like.
Well, yeah.
Because you are merging everything into a single unit. Yeah. In the like that only, if you are ordering like many, when it comes to EDI, no, in EDI does not carry only one item. It carries all the different items which are ordered. So this is enveloping. Parsing means extracting all them into a single thing. So after going to taking the bill, you will also be looking at what is this item, got everything, you'll be analyzing, right? For that, you will be doing the parsing. So these also you get to know. Okay, this is the difference between enveloping and parsing. Okay. See, translation. This we have already discussed. The translation. What is the translation document? It translates business documents into a common EDA standard. Means it translates. What is the translation software? Means we have different translation softwares like
IBM.
Yeah, we have many translation tools. Okay. So it only not only translate, also translate is suitable for application process. Suppose you assume that you are doing business with Walmart. So Puma is doing business with Walmart. Puma follows ANSI X12 format, but the backend system that one should go to which one Walmart. The Walmart follows like SAP. SAP accepts only IDOC format. You know that, right?
Yes.
SAP accepts only format. If the same EDA file went to SAP, that it understand?
Yes.
The EDA file can be analyzed by SAP. Is that possible?
No.
So because it cannot accept the EDA, it cannot accept the EDA file. Because SAP accepts only IDOC. That is what I said. If you can understand only Tamil, if I communicate in Telugu or in English also, how you'll understand? You won't understand, right? That one needs to be translated into the language which you understand. In the same way, the backend system is SAP. The SAP, we know that SAP accepts only IDOC files. So the translation has to be done in such a way that the EDA file, enter EDA file has to be translated to IDOC format. Then only it will reach the customer. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay. So this is the thing which will happen. Okay. Suppose application data. Suppose you are sending an EDA file. The file which we receive is called the inbound. The file which we get is called the outbound. Which we are sending. Okay. So this is the translated thing. So the sending data. Suppose this is suppose the application is IDOC. The application is SAP, and our system is EDI. So when it goes to from here to application, it has to be reached to translate. So we appoint a translator. Some translator tools. So it will change from one format to another format. The same way when the backend system need to send a file to us, the same again the IDOC file will be translated to EDI. Then only we can accept. Okay. Coming to EDI, these are all the envelopes. So let's take an sample EDI file, so which we can browse in the net. Okay. This is the one. This is the sample EDI file. If you go to here, as your experience is, you're like a 4 or 5 years experience guy. So you will be aware of all these segments and elements. To not an extreme, but at least like 10 to 20%, you have the capability to analyze this file. Okay. Coming to this, everything, all EDI file, if you observe, it will start with some
header level ISA GSST.
We call it as an envelopes. Why these envelopes? What are the use of these envelopes? Everything. Okay. See, since you want to travel from one country to other country. Suppose this is you starting from BEU, this one you. When you want to travel from one to other, what is if you want to travel to US, what you will have? The US people need to accept you coming to their country. What they all need? They all need your birthplace. They all need where you are born, to which community, to which country you belong to. So what is your age? So what is the purpose of you coming to US? Everything to be needed.
Yes.
Everything has to be needed, right?
Yes.
So if everyone needs those all things, so why when it comes to EDA also, they also need some certain standards, which we call it as envelopes.
Okay.
But here the message will be beginning from BEG to SMT. But these are all the envelopes and setup. Means it will provide some security reasons. We will follow the standards. These are all the mandatory. So this you won't get. So that is the reason why envelopes are very important. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to send a message directly, will they accept?
No.
If you want to go to US, they won't accept. They have some certain
standards, yeah.
Certain standards, like this person should have this one thing, he should have the visa, like that. The same way, here we have sending number, receiving number, everything will be there. Those also we'll discuss.
Okay.
Future session we'll discuss. So that is the thing. So we have some standards like ISA. ISA is the header envelope, interchange control header, interchange Taylor. Okay. In ISA and IA we have GS and GE. Like functional group header is the starting one, and the ending of this is the functional group Taylor. In this we have the transactions like ST and SC. The ST is the transaction header and SC is the transaction Taylor. We have any number of ST and SCs. In the same way in ISA, only there should be only one IS and IA, but in one IS and IA we can have any number of GS and Gs. And in one GS and G we have like up to some certain number of ST and SC. Those one we'll discuss. That will be like 5 9s and everything. That one will discuss. Okay. At the end we'll discuss. I don't want to confuse you with more. Okay. See, this is the same thing. Interchange control header, intercontrol Taylor. We have functional group header, GS and GE. In ST and SC, we have the transaction set element, the messages. The message which we want to set, which we call, for 850 will begin with BEG like that. Okay, the message will be transaction set detail segments. Okay.
Okay.
Starting from BEG, ending with EMT or CTD. Okay, na? Okay.
Okay.
The types of envelopes. The types of envelopes means we have three different. Let's come from the back. Like interchange envelope means we have IS and DE. In IS and DE, what we have? We have all functional group envelopes. Means in IS and DE, we have GS and GE. So what is this functional group envelopes? What is this function? The functional group envelopes carries all types of message envelopes.
Okay.
Okay, so what are these message envelopes means? The ST and SC. Then ST and SC contains all types of segments, including your document. That is from BEG to EMT. Okay, got it? Okay. One more thing. Let's revise one more thing. So in ISA and IEA, we have GS and GE.
GS and GE.
In GS and GE, we have ST and SC.
ST and SC.
And ST and SC, we have all the segments, which we call it as a message. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are functional groups. These are interchange. We call it as a message segment or transaction set segments. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. We have other format called EDFACT.
Okay.
For EDFACT, everything is same. The only thing is the envelopes will be different. Like for the here interchange envelope will be UNB. It will be UNZ. For group functional group will be UNG.
UNG.
And functional group trailer will be UNE. And message will be UNH. And message ending will be UNT. In this one only we have all the mandatory segments. And we have like that is different. Here everything is mandatory when it comes to ANSI external. ANSI external, everything is a mandatory thing. Everything is a mandatory thing. But here everything is not mandatory. Here we have an option called some segments you can even begin with UNS segment. Okay. For your understanding, let's analyze one EDFACT file as well. See, it is starting with UNB. That is start of interchange. UNG is start of group. UNH is start of message. It starts with UNB and ends with UNT. See, UNB it starts and UNT it ends. UNT it ends. Okay. Again, group means UNG. But that is not a mandatory thing here.
Okay.
It will go to UNH, and UNT. This is start of message. This is end of message. For interchange, UNB and UNZ. This is start of interchange. This is end of interchange.
Okay. So in EDFACT it can be changed, but in external ANSI external it will be fixed like ISA.
Not like that, because if you see here, the interchange is a common thing.
Okay.
Only thing is the group can be neglected here.
Okay.
Only the group thing. Other than that, everything will be there. And one more thing, you have some other thing like UNA. Okay. Since we are not discussing about EDFACT, let's leave it. But not a thing. Everything we will get it in the net. So those all techniques I will send you at the end of the EDA course. Okay.
No.
Okay. Let's see what ISA contains. ISA contains some specific fields. Okay. So in ISA we have like 16, 1 to 16 envelopes.
Okay.
In this interchange control envelope, we have some 16. Everything have their own specification. Means it will carry some amount of information. Like 01 means authorization information qualifier. 03 means authorization information, the security information. Interchange ID qualifier, interchange sender ID, the 07 ID qualifier. Like that we have the receiver ID, whom we are sending. Suppose the sender is you, because the sender ID will be Puma and the receiver is Walmart. The Walmart will be, the receiver ID will be Walmart. On which date, on which time, repetition update, what is the version of EDI we use, what is the control number generated, what is the acknowledgement requested, what is the usage indicated, whether it's a test file or production file, everything. What is the common elements? Let's see one thing so that we can get. See ISA. Okay, and ISA we have here sender ID. Who is sending? Suppose here sending is you, here your name will be there. Who is sending? Receiver. Whom it should reach? Suppose the receiver is me, here my name should be there.
Okay. Date and time.
On which date, which time, the indicator, the type of version we use. It's a production file or test file. The ICN number generated. ISA 13th element. So these are all the things. Everything we'll discuss. Okay, just for your one thing, there are no spaces here. But we can see some vacant space here. Why is this happening here? Why do you know?
No, I don't know.
because it is a fixed length.
Okay.
These are all the not fixed length. Let's carry you there. You can see right screen. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, I can.
See what is here? We see here attributes. So maximum length is 2 and the occupied length is minimum length is 2. The maximum length is 10. Minimum length is 10.
Yes.
Means everything has to be occupied over here.
Okay.
Suppose the sender ID carries 15 characters.
Okay.
Suppose
Okay.
my name is like Balu. Okay. So how many characters it occupies? Only like
Four.
four characters. So
Four
what is
characters.
the remaining 11 characters? The remaining characters should be left black. So if you see here, 15 should come.
Okay. Okay.
See here, see down. 15. Did you get right?
Yes, yes.
15 has to be occupied. If any one bit is not there, the error will come. That is what the support people will do. Those are all identifying errors and everything. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
So IEA. The IEA is not a fixed limit. So out of 5, we have only one thing will be there. Only one. Out of 9, 9. Okay. So this is the maximum and minimum one. Okay, for IEA. But the first one,
it cannot exceed, right?
It cannot exceed. It cannot exceed.
The
interchange control number will be same. See, observe the document. The control number for here and here should be same.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. We have GS. This is what you know, GS. Amount of GS and GS. Like GS and GE is only one, so here have one. We suppose we have like 10 GS and GS. We have here 10. Only this is the vary of length. Apart from this, everything is a constant.
Okay.
Everything is not a variable length. Okay. Coming to GS and GE, the same thing. The functional ID code which you use here, everything you will get it over here. These all things we'll discuss. As of now, see the maximum is 2 and minimum is 2.
Okay.
The first one from here, the maximum 15, but you can have minimum should be 2. From 2 to 15, anything can be occupied. Maximum is 15, 2 can be occupied. So here maximum is 15 and minimum is also 15. So all should be occupied. Like that, you have to know. Okay. So these are all the interview questions will be covered. That one we'll cover again.
Okay.
Like GE. The same thing.
So for this, we need to know how each segment should contain this attributes, right? We need to know that for interview.
We should be aware. Those things will define everything. Today we have some other session, right? In that session we'll discuss. As of now, it is just an introduction. Okay. I am taking you a bit deeper. Actually, for a fresher who is new to EDI, I won't say all these things because they can't understand all these things at a time. So going, I will just cover these topics. But for you only, I am just elaborating.
Okay.
Because since your experience in EDI only, so that is the reason why I am elaborating, because you will be in a situation to understand. Okay. The same thing with SC and SC. Okay. Coming to retail industry flow. See, we have like different types of flows. Those things also I will discuss again. We have like different types of flows. Like this is a retail industry flow. What are the other flow like transportation, which we call it as a logistic, HIPAA flow, which we call it as in US healthcare.
Okay.
We have like different types of flows. Like we have like warehouse transactions like 940, 943, everything. Out of it, the most commonly used for all things is retail industry flow. Okay, retail industry, it's a transaction between buyer and seller. Okay, suppose you are the seller over here, you own a Pune product. Suppose the buyer is Walmart. It has to be do a business. Okay, leave everything about everything like this. Let's take a simple example. Okay, suppose you are a buyer and you are going to a restaurant. So who is the seller over here? The restaurant people are the seller. Okay, so what is the first thing you will do after going to the restaurant?
We will get the menu.
You will ask for menu, which we call it as a request for menu. The same thing when a buyer wants to ask a seller, he will request for quotation. So what are all the items you have? Then after you go into restaurant, how he will respond?
He will provide you the menu card which contains the pricing information of each item available there.
Okay, then afterwards?
Then we will be ordering. So what we need.
So you will be looking everything. Suppose you want to buy order some biryani, everything, some 2 types of biryani you'll order. Then what happens? After you giving the order, then immediately the waiter will give you an acknowledgement. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Some type of information. Okay, sir. It will be prepared in 10 minutes, or it will take a long time. Otherwise, this item is not there. You can order the other item. So acknowledgement should be there.
Yes.
Okay. If you're okay with that, okay, then he will start the cooking and he will provide you the order. Okay. Then afterwards, after eating and everything, he will provide you the billing. Afterwards, you will pay the bill. See, everything is our daily scenario only. But only thing is, when it comes to EDI, it's just a number game. So all this direct scenario only, we will communicate in numbers. Okay. So first thing is, now you will get a proper understanding. The same scenario will happen in the business also. Okay? Business is nothing but in our day-to-day life. Okay. Suppose the seller here is Walmart. Sorry, Puma. That is your company. And the buyer here is Walmart. Okay. When the buyer wants to know what are all the Puma products, though he will send 840. That is request for quotation. Hey boss, please send me all the. Then he will say, sir, we have t-shirts, we have shoes, we have this type of products, everything. Okay, we have some special editions, everything they will do. Okay, depending on that, he will see and he will make some purchase order. That is 850. He will send 850. So after sending this 850, then he will say, okay, then he'll give an acknowledgement. Okay, sir, everything will send you, or he'll give some. Sir, you have ordered some 50 t-shirts. Instead of 50, if you order 100, you will get some 100 rupees discount on every item. Like that, some type of discount he'll give. Then he will change. If you want to change 860, that one we will discuss at the last. Let's not confuse you. Okay. So then afterwards, everything goes good. then the shipment will start. Okay, sir, the deal is closed.
Okay.
From here, we are sending you to your own location. Suppose he is in India. Suppose the buyer is from the Walmart is an US company. Then you will starting the shipment that within 10 days the items will reach you like that.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, correct.
That is the scenario. So afterwards the bill will come. Then he will send the bill. Then he will pay the bill. Okay. The bill invoice will call it an 810 and the payment is called 820. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Is everything okay?
Yes, okay, right.
Because these are the things which is mostly used, the retail flow. Okay.
No.
Whether you are the buyer side or seller side also, we call it a thing. This is some simple example which I already seen. You have already seen a complicated one, so that's not an issue. Okay. So what are the common EDA tools means? The Sterling Integrator, Bigtalk, Gentran, many tools will be there. Okay.
Okay.
So anything doubts you have?
No,
This is your
bro,
first
I'm clear, yeah.
Okay, is
So,
everything clear?
yeah, I'm clear, bro. So will you be sharing that document to me?
Yeah, I'll be sending you right now. Okay.
Okay.
Because every day I will share you the recordings will be there. So
Okay.
what if you have any doubt? But this is not a complicated. This is not a complicated one. So just stopping the recording. Okay.
Okay.